What's going on, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com, and in today's video I want to walk you through the new Google Ads interface. The old interface is going to be gone. It might even be gone right now. Today's July 25th. I'm not sure. I think they rolled it out July 24th, but I'm sure they'll be phasing that out account by account, where you won't even be able to log into the old one. So if you wanted to log into the old one, you come up here, return to previous. I've already seen a few of our client accounts that this is gone, so it's not an option anymore. So I assume this one will be gone soon too, and most likely yours will be too. So this is going to be the only interface that you'll be using. So keep in mind, my PPC training channel is the only channel on YouTube where every AdWords training, Google Ads training we do is in the new interface, because the old interface is going to be gone and those videos will be useless. Okay, so make sure you check out our channel and go through all of the different videos. Every training is in the new interface. All right, so I just wanted to take time to make this video and kind of get you more familiar with it. So what you're looking at is the account view of your AdWords account, or now it's called Google Ads account. I'm never gonna get used to that, but this is what you'll see. You'll have all of your campaigns over here in the account tab, and then you'll have your if you go into campaigns, you can see we have our campaigns here. Now if we go into an actual campaign, this becomes your navigation tab for that campaign. All right, so let's start at the top. We'll do the overview. It basically just gives you the quick hit stats for the campaign. So you got your ad groups, keywords, ads, day and hours, kind of like your ad schedule and stuff, locations, devices, and you can change around different things like this if you want to see different stats here. Same with over here. You can sort and show different things, so that's pretty cool. Next down is recommendations. So this is where Google will list out all of your recommendations to improve the account performance. Pretty cool. If you remember the old interface, they used to just have pop-ups that would just give you recommendations. Well, here's a whole tab dedicated to it where you can take a look at what they suggest and see if it's something you want to implement. Next is ad groups. So you'll see all your ad groups for the campaign here, and you can mess around with the columns and stuff up here and segment. So if you want to see different columns, just come to modify columns and you would just mess around here. Same with segments and filters, and you can download them and stuff like that. So pretty cool. If you want to create a new ad group, just hit the plus sign. Takes you in to create a new ad group. Really simple stuff. All right. I'm really digging this new interface. It's extremely user friendly. I know it might seem a little scary at first, but it's because you're not used to it. Once you get in here and start messing around with it, you're gonna have fun. All right. So also next to ad groups, we have auction insights, where we can see our competitors and stuff like that, and everything that they're about. And if you come up here, kind of gives you anything you hover over in the new interface gives you a little pop-up box of what it means. It's pretty cool. Next down is ads and extensions. So here's all of our ads for the campaign, and here's all of our ad extensions. And if you want to add ad extension, just hit this and choose which one you want to add, and you can filter which ones you want to see right here. So if you want to see all of them, or if you only want to see your call extensions, stuff like that. Pretty cool. And then you have your automated extensions here. Next, you have landing pages, expanded landing pages. We don't have anything in this account for that. Then you have your keywords. So here's all your keywords for the campaign. And then you have your negative keywords right here. And here's where you'll add in your negative keywords. Choose the campaign or the ad group you want to add them in. Paste, save, and they're added. Pretty easy. And then you have your search terms report, where all of your search terms will be in here, and some more auction insights data. Pretty cool. Next, we come down to audiences. If this thing loads. So here we'll have your audiences, or if you want to create new audiences, you can come in here and do targeting, observation, whatever, create your audiences and add them. Also add in your exclusions if you want to exclude certain websites, if you're running search partners or display network, stuff like that. Then we come down here, we have demographics. You can mess around and turn off or turn on demographics, which can be a great optimization tactic. And the gender, and this goes per ad group. Household income, really powerful optimization tactic. And then you have more exclusions and combinations, stuff like that. Then we come here is your campaign settings, and you'll see here we have all of the basic stuff. So that's pretty cool. And then we come down to locations, and you have your locations here. If you want to change stuff, you can do radius targeting, or you can enter your exclusions, stuff like that. Excluded. You can pull reports, geographic reports, user location reports. ad schedule right here. If you want to change that, come up here, you can add days, change time, stuff like that, down to the day and hour. You can mess around with all this stuff once you have some data. It's pretty cool. Devices, desktop computers, mobile phones, tablets, pretty awesome. You can do your device bit adjustments based on which one's converting the highest. It's a cool optimization tactic. And then we have advanced bit adjustment, which is increasing to get more calls, which is pretty cool. Then you have your change history, where you can see any changes made inside the account and the date and time they were made. Then you have drafts and experiments. You can have your experiments up here if you want to create something. Add variations, all kinds of stuff. So you can see there's a lot of things that they're not new, they're just strategically placed better. So this is basically your new navigation bar when you're in a campaign. It's really, really simple. And just don't forget, because a lot of people will forget that you can tab over in some of them, like auction insights, ad groups, especially with keywords. Negative keywords they're under keywords tab. So then if you come up here, you have a little go-to bar. It's like a little search bar that pops up where you can jump to something if you type it in. You can pull reports up here. And then tools is where you'll set up all of your conversion trackings, your analytics, all that stuff. Under setup, you have all of your account information. Then you can do bulk actions, rules, scripts. You can upload. There's shared libraries right here too. And this is where you'll do all that stuff. Your negative keyword lists, if you have those, portfolio bid management, shared budgets, that's a big one. And then planning, you have keyword planner and ad preview diagnosis. So keyword planner is totally new as well. All right, so that's really important to understand that it's not, the old one is going to be gone if it's not already gone. So if you don't know how to use the new keyword planner to build out ad groups, to find keywords, to find negative keywords, do all that stuff, then go to our channel and watch the video, or I believe, I can't remember the name of it. Just search on our channel negative keywords or keyword planner, and it'll pop up. And I walk you through by the hand how to use the new keyword planner. It's really, really user friendly. I think you're going to dig it. So besides that, if you guys have any questions about the new interface or anything about this walkthrough, drop them in the comments below this video, and I'd love to dive in there and give you a hand. As always, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you can. Subscribe to our channel. We're dropping content daily now, so there's going to be a lot of really cool trainings coming. And besides that, I think that's everything. Check out the links in the description. I put some stuff in there for you, including a free guide on how to optimize your AdWords campaigns. It's really cool. You can use this guide and basically turn around any campaign, all right, and get it performing more optimally. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video.